Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Now, before I answer the question, I just wanted to let you know that should you need legal assistance,
we are road traffic accident claims specialists.
we offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee claims, so there's nothing to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience.
To find out if you can claim compensation, call 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
We all know that the work that the emergency services in the UK do each and every day is nothing short of exceptional. However, from time to time, the emergency services can themselves be involved in accidents with the public. Today, I'm going to be looking at how to make a claim for an accident involving the emergency services. The first thing to consider when looking at a potential claim against the emergency services is whether or not, at the time of the accident, the emergency services vehicle was displaying its blues and twos or its lights and sirens. The rules governing emergency vehicles differ depending on whether they're responding to an emergency. It's because of this that we highly recommend seeking the advice and guidance of a personal injury claims specialist with experience in this field, like legalexpert.co.uk. Each emergency service in the UK has its own process for considering compensation claims against them. There are a number of things that you can do immediately following the accident which will help you in your claim for compensation. If it was a road traffic accident with the emergency services, then collect all of the details of the drivers and vehicles involved in the accident. You can take photographs of the vehicles and the registration numbers. If possible, you should also collect the details of any witnesses of the accident. If your claim does go to court, you may need to rely on these witnesses to give a statement. Any injuries sustained as a result of the accident should be treated and the treatment should be documented. This makes it easier to prove your injuries in the future. You should also keep track of all financial losses that have been caused by the accident. Not only things like travel expenses and medical costs, but also any loss of income due to missing work. If your injury has resulted in you having to cancel a prepaid event like a holiday, it's important to log that as well. To help see what options you have, we offer a completely free, no obligation consultation session where we'll do our best to offer you our advice on what your next best step is. You can contact us on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk to begin this process. If we believe that we're able to assist you in your case, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. That means there's no upfront fees to pay, and if you don't receive compensation, there's nothing to pay. Of course, the circumstances of each accident are never the same, and whether or not you believe that you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So, if you'd like further assistance to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim, we have a team over at legalexpert.co.uk offering free advice via our live chat and on our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim.
Don't forget to subscribe as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.